Natives of Kumbh Rasi. This session is about Kumbh Rasi. Kumbh Rasi denotes age of freedom. The natives of this Rasi gain path of life with divine inspiration, achieve supernatural force, gain creative desire, gives awake for the natives like how the energies of heaven plunge into earth unexpectedly gets inspired and committed to social and divine transformation. This divine inspiration gives native a love for the word God, desire to follow the path of spirituality, hearts of comfort who knit together an intimate relationship between loved ones by a profound spiritual, mystical, and energetic connection. Seek the path of righteousness and peace, like to lead a holy and blameless life, be diligent, self attainment, attached to high minded good works to lay a foundation of staple life, gain a source to reveal the form of truth and knowledge to entities through universal laws like occult and extrasensory perceptions. The native, symbolically denoted as water bearer, means a universal force who follow the path of spirituality with purified thoughts and natural relevance, nourishes inner self by insight, spiritual mind, and inner energy. The native symbolically denoted as natural healers. The powers of cosmic energy bless natives to enrich themselves as they please, nourish the surroundings, overcome hurdles in life, stand for nursing, nourishing, purifying entities dynamically. The natives have blessings from Lord Indra, Lord Varuna, Lord Prajanya, Lord Vajra, directly or through other forms, gain the energy of heroic strength. Kumbh Rasi presiding deity is Lord Yama, located in Srivanchiyam in Tiruvarur district, Tamil Nadu in India. In this temple, the main deity is Lord Vanchinathan, Lord Shiva, with his consort goddess Mangalambika, goddess Parvati. Here, Shivalinga is Swayambhu, faces west and east. Lord Yama is worshipped as first deity instead of Lord Vinayagar in this temple. Bless to free from sufferings proceeding with death, get rid of their sins, get liberated from rebirth, stomach ailments, remove obstacles, early marriage blessings, harmony between husband and wife, clearing ancestral debts, Piturdoshas. The ruling planet is Lord Saturn, that is Shani Dev, denotes intelligence, are good communicators and teaching is their basic instinct and liked by other Rasi natives. Enjoy an active social life, hard worker, complete all tasks undertaken by them, interested in ancient culture and practice, religious, some practice occult, generally liked by others, possessing intelligence and wisdom. The characteristic qualities of Kumbh Rasi are: the natives are good discoverers, unique thinkers. The natives are inventors. A creative people do things what is unexpected. The natives are adventurous, look to achieve better things in life. Natives have great vision of thought. See future with a possibility. Rasi natives are being human without prejudice or preference, help and guide others in their task. Emergence of proactiveness, never wait for things to happen, work with hopes, make good things to happen in life, ability to create opportunities in competitive environment, has unquestionable abilities, elevate life by conscious endeavor. The natives never postpone things, believe that delivering on time is a fundamental key for their success in life. The natives are bold and brave, take risks in performing matters, never wait for good time to come to their doorsteps. They stand as a solution to the problems, take initiative to render a solution, whatever is necessary to get a job done. The natives are good team players, ability to work together, progress with unity, win their goals and objectives. It is highly spiritual, defining a good personality, good habits with divine principle. Natives are with self confidence, courageous, go by deadlines, trust and belief, never fear for struggles and pains. Natives' mind at times are complex in nature, have distinctive thinking pattern incomparable. Their immoderate anger end up with sadness, depressed, agitated. Their creative thought, positive outlook and matured understanding complete tasks, promptly meeting the deadlines, go greater heights. Kumbh Rasi masculine members optimistic, see every opportunity is worth and gainful. Good observers never postpone matters. Don't let yesterday matters to take up too much time of today. The natives are high on inventing new things in life, learn more from failures than from success. The natives see the matters the way others feel, including beliefs and expectations, but act uniquely, change the quality of life instantly, and react to the world in time. High creative mind, but never take added caution about the consequences, is a very distinctive nature. Their thinking and perception makes them incomparable, but their mastermind capabilities stay in lead on matters, orients natives towards attaining their goal in life. Kumbh Rasi feminine members. The natives look handsome, fair, coupled with dark hair. Leave a sparkling appearance makes every soul happy. Ability to express, power of understanding, elegant, match the state of mind and character of the natives. The natives have large face, charming lips, are good humanitarians, independent, freedom lover, and cheerful, highly intelligent, make quick friends, good character readers, unselfish, impersonal personalities. At times, in isolation and excess secrecy, comes to a negative impression about others soon, fail to express in a dignified way, brings disappointments and apathy. But their calm, cool, and composed self turns them clever and versatile, gain new projects, win partnership compatibilities. Planet Lord Saturn, Shani Graha Gayatri Mantra. ओम कागद्वजाय विद्महे खड्ग अस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो मंद प्रचोदयात् ओम शनीश्वराय विद्महे छायापुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो मंद प्रचोदयात्. Planet Lord Saturn, Shani Graha बीज मंत्र. ओम सूर्यपुत्रो दीर्घदेहि विशालाक्ष शिवप्रिया मंदचारा प्रसन्नात्मा भीदां मृदुमे शनि. Planet Lord Saturn, Shani Graha Moola Mantra. ओम नीलांचन समाभासं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजं छाया महादांड संपूतं तं नमामि शनैश्चरम्.
Please subscribe to our Vedi Books YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.